Alright, so I'm gonna be feeding this fish this. Alright, this is just food sticks. Until I get some real tilapia specific food. This is 40% crude protein. Okay. This is too big for the small fish, so I'm gonna crush some of them. Okay, for the small fish. And this is what I'm gonna feed them until the evening. So I'm gonna eat this. I want them to finish everything because I don't want to waste any food. So you can see they're very hungry. Alright, so let's go feed them this. Let's go feed them that. And the moment those pellets or sticks hit the water and the fish begin feeding, I take my time observing them closely. I watch as many as possible, looking for any signs of illness, like less mobility, unusual behavior, or anything that seems off. This process is crucial in maintaining a healthy stock. Honestly, I could stand here forever just watching these fry and juveniles captivated by their growth and movement. Feeding my fish is more than just a routine. It's a moment of connection. There is a deep sense of satisfaction and contentment in watching them eagerly anticipate their meal, especially when they seem to recognize me approaching. It's a small but meaningful joy, much like feeding any other pet, I'll assume. And seeing them grow, man, that's the ultimate reward. This journey in aquaponics for me is one of learning and experimentation. I invite you to join me, subscribe the channel, share your thoughts in the comments, and let's grow together. I'm here to learn just as much as I am to share knowledge, striving to provide accurate and useful information. But keep in mind that much of what I do is experimental. I want to firsthand understand the sustainability of these practices so I can share a solid, experience-backed story. Some of my methods may look unconventional, but that's because I'm exploring, testing, and adapting. As long as the health of the fish and plants isn't compromised, I believe creativity in aquaponics is worth exploring. Currently, this tank holds around 75 to 100 fry and juvenile fish, which means that their dietary needs vary. So that's why I often crush some of the feed or pre-soak it before feeding. I've found that soaking makes it easier for the smaller fish to consume, while the larger ones instinctively break down the pellets. My role is to ensure that even the tiniest fish get the nutrients they need to thrive. Lord willing, I'll be separating them as they grow to prevent overcrowding and maintain a healthy environment. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, we wrap up today's feeding session. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe for more updates on this aquaponics journey. Like, comment, and share these videos to help build this community of growers and learners. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.